So this is a installation of Windows AC portable. The problem was original the outlet for the GFI goes next to the water, so New York must have the GFI, but whoever put the GFI didn't install right way, was breaking. And you can see it's a 15 amp class 2125, so I have to see before I put the regular, make sure it will not go on a trip. So as you can see right now, the settings on a cool, low fan, and this is amps. I'm reading how many amps I'm reading right now. Is almost 5 on a low speed, so of course everybody will use on a medium at least. So you can see how much you can save electricity to roam pretty cold air. See my amps go up right now. Of course, and who doesn't know, like in an old building you don't know which one is hot, so you have to figure out which one is hot, and it no matter actually which way you put it, you can put either hot or, so you're supposed to put on this one, that's the hot, and then neutral is here. But in reality it doesn't matter, you can put either or, it's still gonna work. Just to let you know, so I'll be on the safe side. I always check my amps, so I don't want to leave and then they're gonna call me back again. The outlet don't work. So pretty easy. Put the amp meter on that one wire right there, and then so you see how much you take on the medium. It's like almost 10 amps right now, so it's still going up. So let's check. Let's change to a high speed. Change to high speed. Circuit breaker, stove, gas stove, and a refrigerator. Well, also we're going to use this tank. All this I'm not going to use them at high speed, but I just want to double check. So it's okay, it's gonna go up. As you can see, my AC is, this is the AC specification. So amps is at 11.9. Doesn't say maximum capacity. Usually supposed to say maximum capacity on commercial, but on residential